how to fix random crashes or glitches in Valorant. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can fix random crashes and other glitches that you are facing with your Valorant application. So in order to start, the first thing that you can try to do is access the Valorant settings of your Windows. So to do that, simply go to the taskbar and search for Valorant. Now from here, if you can see the settings option, then it is okay. Or apart from that, what you can do is simply click onto this open file location. Now, once you are successfully here, right click onto this Valorant shortcut and click on to this option again, that is open file location. Now you will be landed onto this particular option, and from here you can see the Riot Client Services. So right click onto the Riot Client Services and then click on to the Show More option and choose Properties. Now within the properties, go to compatibility, and from here make sure that you enable this option, which is run this program in compatibility mode. You can also enable disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Now once you are done selecting all these three settings, click onto this apply button and then click onto the OK button. Try restarting your device and hopefully your issue will be resolved. If this does not work, try uninstalling and reinstalling your Valorant, and hopefully that would fix it. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.